Hi guys, how to get voice chat on Roblox. Now open the Roblox app or website and click the gear icon on PC or the three dots on mobile to go to your settings. This first step is super easy, but missing it means no voice chat at all. Select the privacy tab from the left-hand menu. This is where you control who can message you, follow you, and most importantly, talk to you in-game. Look for the voice data usage section. Here's the mistake most people make. If it says you need to be verified, don't ignore it. Go back to account info and follow the steps to verify your age with a government ID and a selfie. Keep watching because this verification is the make or break step. Once you're verified, this can take a few minutes to a few hours, return to the privacy tab and toggle enable voice chat to the on position. It will turn green when it's working. This step is very important. Join a game that actually supports microphone. Check the game's About section first, or you'll be talking to nobody. Once you're in, click the mic icon floating above your character's head to start talking.